Lesson 1: Atomic Structure and the Periodic Table. Welcome to this lesson on atomic structure for your NSSCO Chemistry exam. We will begin by looking at subatomic particles. Electrons have a relative charge of -1 and a negligible relative mass, which is about 1 over 1,836 that of a proton. Meanwhile, protons have a +1 charge, and neutrons are uncharged. Both protons and neutrons have a relative mass of 1. To find the number of neutrons in an atom, you subtract the atomic number from the nucleon, or mass, number. For instance, an atom of sodium has an atomic number of 11 and a nucleon number of 23. This means it contains 12 neutrons. You will also encounter isotopes, which are items of the same element that have the same number of protons but different numbers of neutrons. Because of this, isotopes have different mass numbers. Moving outward from the nucleus, let us look at electron configuration. A neutral chlorine atom, which has an atomic number of 17, has an electron arrangement of 2, 8, 7. That means 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 in the second, and 7 in the third. Finally, the periodic table organizes these elements. Elements in the same group of the periodic table have similar chemical properties. This happens mainly because they share the same number of outer shell or valence electrons, which largely determines how they bond.